My name is Adam Knight from a company called Hugh Broughton Architects, and we are part of a group of architects called West London Link Design. And we are a group of architects who got together to look at ways of improving Hammersmith and Chiswick by linking it back to the river. We were worried about the fact that we all live and work near the river, but our route to the river is cut off by the A4 that was built in the 1960s and scythed through whole sections of Hammersmith and Chiswick, completely cutting most of the community off from the river and making it very difficult for us to get there. The idea of a tunnel which would cure this problem was a complete pipe dream. It was only when the Flyover had its problems with the decay of the concrete and had to be shut in 2011 and repaired at great expense. That's when the idea of a tunnel really started to gather pace. The drawings that we've put on display here in Lyric Square are showing what we see as a vision for the future of Hammersmith and Chiswick. So we're looking at ways of improving the local environment by removing the A4. And the technical aspects of where that tunnel would go and where it would start and finish is all work that has to be done in the future. What we've looked at with these drawings are what are the opportunities of the local opportunities for improving everybody's lives. As architects, we've been working hard on the vision for the future of Hammersmith and Chiswick, but we're also very aware of the technical challenges in creating or moving the A4 into a tunnel, and we've been very lucky to work with a local Hammersmith-based international engineering company who specialise in tunnels called the Halcro Group, and they have been helping us look at ways of potentially diverting the A4, and they will be helping in the next stages of this process in solving some of the technical issues that haven't been addressed to date. So the question is, why are we doing this? The first reason is to link Hammersmith, Chiswick and other areas that are cut off from the river by the A4 back to the river, and to improve the ability for local people to use the river in the way that historically was possible. The second is to improve all of our environments. The A4 creates a massive amount of pollution. It would also improve the setting for some of the fantastic architectural buildings within Hammersmith, such as the listed Town Hall, which used to flow down to the river over a park, which is now Furnival Gardens, St Peter's Church and St Peter's Square. They're all important buildings that have been shut off and completely changed by the imposition of the A4. The other side to this is it's a massive opportunity for local improvements and local development, the provision of housing, the provision of office space and new properties and new green spaces within Hammersmith and Chiswick. And the land that can be vacated by the A4 by putting it into a tunnel will create fantastic spaces for local people to use and enjoy. The current Hammersmith Flyover has its technical issues. TfL are spending another £60 million this year on solving the technical issues of concrete degradation on the Flyover. But this will only give the Flyover a lifespan of another 15 to 20 years. But in the end, the Flyover will fail, and we are here to try to move that process on so that we don't lose the opportunity of a major infrastructure project in the future.